In this video, let us talk about how to use OBS Studio for recording and streaming beginner sites. Right? So OBS Studio is free and open source software for video recording and live streaming. You can download and start streaming quickly and easily on Windows, Mac or Linux. Step-by-step demo of OBS Studio usage in this video also we will see now. Now let me go to browser and install the OBS Studio. Right? So this is the website obsproject.com. So this is OBS Studio. You can install download for Windows or Mac or Linux. Let me download for Mac. Here I am doing this demo in Mac, so I will download for Mac. Right? So once downloaded, go to Finder. You can double click and install OBS Studio. I already installed, so let me skip the installation steps and open the OBS Studio. So this is the OBS Studio. Screen is opened. So by default it will display like this. So minimum one scenes, you can see the scenes, you need minimum one scenes, one source and one audio mixer. These are the three things you need. For example, if I have one, let me remove this. Yes, remove. Let me click add. So display capture. What is this means? It will capture your computer screen. Click OK. Right? So what monitor it has to use? I have only one monitor. The default is selected. Crop manual like that. So you can record the specific window or full screen. I will use the full screen. That means I will leave it none. Click OK. So now full screen is there, but you can notice here there are a lot of space in the right side and left side. So you can just increase like this to make the full coverage. So if it is like this, then you will see extra space, white space or black space, and you will not have the full screen of your screen. Right? Your screen will be full, but in addition to that, you will see extra white space. So to avoid that, make it full. Right? And go to settings. After selecting, go to settings. Right? Go here. So we are going to stream the screen. Right? For that, here you can leave all the default settings in the general. So let me go to stream. So this is the stream key you need if you want to stream your video. So if you are having the YouTube channel, for example, if you want to stream your video, you will go to your video site, click go live from the studio.youtube.com and new stream, click new stream, right, and create stream. Okay, so while it creating the stream, if you scroll down, it gives you the stream key. Copy that key, right? Copy that key and go to OBS Studio, delete the existing key, paste it. So now our stream, you will select the service YouTube server, primary YouTube server, and the key from the YouTube website, whatever we have collected from this site. Then go to video. So this is the like resolution, what we wanted, what we want to output it. Here this is the recommended resolution from YouTube for live streaming. I am giving that output. For example, to find out your computer resolution in Mac, go to about this Mac and go to display. You will see that like 2880 1800. That's why I go put it. You may type it actually. So if you can type it or you can select it if it is already coming, your resolution. If it's not coming, type it. And then output scale resolution is recommended by YouTube, so I am putting it here. And yes, this is the default setting, you can leave it, or 30 also fine here. I will leave it default. Then go to audio. So what audio you want to use it? So basically you can select any one of the audio. So select the audio built-in microphone in any one of this. You can use one or more, but right now let's use one. So if you use built-in microphone, then whatever your built-in microphone you are from computer, that input is getting recorded. Right? This is the only settings needed in the audio and video setting. We saw that. So these are the default settings, and you can save it. I don't want to save it. Okay, so I will close this. So this setting is over. Now click start streaming and go back here and check here. You see the excellent connection is there in the YouTube Studio, right? One now it will display the screen whatever I am loading here. So okay, so let it its excellent connection is there. Okay, now preview is coming. Looks like we are ready, right? And it says this message, click go live, right? So click go live, then whatever your screen and your audio will be live streamed. Okay, so this is how you can live stream your screen to YouTube, and the same way you can live stream to any other platform like Facebook or Twitch, like that. I don't want to play live stream long time, so let me end the stream, right? Or if you want to end the stream, yes, end. So I end the stream. I can stop the streaming here also, stop it. I can use a shortcut key. So if you want to start, Control Alt S, that's the start, right? Control Alt S, I have it, start. Control Alt W, stop. I am pressing the key. I don't click on that. Control Alt S, start. Control Alt W, stop. Right? That's what I have set it up. You can verify one more time. If you go to hotkey, Control Alt S, Control Alt W. So you can stop and start streaming using like this. Okay. So this is how you will be able to live stream your computer screen or one or more window in the any live stream platform like YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.